We got the Lite Ultra. This is pretty much like a holiday stocking stuffer deal for the holiday 2023. They do make a rechargeable version of this, and this is the battery version of this. This is a great light if you guys got rechargeable batteries, but I definitely recommend the charging version if you're going to be spending money on batteries. Obviously you're going to pay a little bit more, but rechargeable internal battery. 4 AA's on the Lite unit and 2 AA's on the control. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can begin to review videos like this, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, so we got the easy to install, no tools needed, battery operated, no wiring outlets, auto on and off, detects motions up to 15 feet, light sensor detects darkness, motion activated ceiling wall lights. This is wireless remote. It controls up to 3 brightness settings, 6500K, 400 lumen, motion activated daylight sensor, ultra bright COB LED, COB LED, peel and stick screws. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and screw this on there. I believe that's the best way to do it. You got sensor bright, ultra lights. It says ceilings, garage, shed, attic. This is great for a shed, guys. If you guys have a shed or a storage box or something like that, this is great. It says 3 light settings, 100 lumen, 250 lumen, or 400 lumen. I'm just gonna use it on the 100. I don't need a lot. It's just a closet. You got 30 COB LED, attractive, sleek design, 5.5 diameter, 0.875 in depth. Light sensor detects darkness. Water resistant, so you guys could stick this outside. Alright, we got a couple screws, mounting screws for the unit, and smaller screws for the control. Alright, so from what we're looking here, we got close and open. So it does have open and close. Some Amazon batteries. I'm not going to put this yet, so I'm not going to go ahead and throw these in the charger. Alright, so we'll just stick them in there and we'll see what they look like. Alright, so it's on. Pretty bright. And then we have this. I think I'm going to use the screws. Yeah, this thing, I think this is going to come off. Then we have the button. This is for the control. We do have batteries for this. Throw some regular batteries in here. Alright, so we got my closet here. Pretty dark place in there, and yeah, pretty dark place, but once you stick this light in there, it should make things just perfect. Get these little screws and stick them up there. We do have some anchors. I'm gonna try to put them without these anchors. Leave it loose so we can get all 3. I'll go through the other side. Because it gets really dark in here. And especially at nighttime, it gets really dark. So once you're down here, just swipe your hand. Comes on for a quick second. Yeah, about a minute or so. But yeah, definitely check it out, guys. It's a great item to have, especially for a dark place, a closet, a shed, a toolbox, whatever, dark area. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.